Before we start, if you're serious about making money with Amazon KDP in 2026, subscribe right now. This channel is for people who want results, not motivation. Also, make sure you join my Telegram channel. I drop extra tips there on making money online that I don't post on YouTube. And if you need personal help with your publishing journey, you can reach out to me on X, Twitter. All right, let's get into it. Most people publishing on Amazon KDP are doing everything, yet still getting zero sales. And the reason is simple. They don't understand why books sell in 2026. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually get more book sales on Amazon. Not theory, not hype. I'm going to break down real books, real listings, real mistakes, and real fixes you can apply immediately. Let's start with something important. Amazon doesn't reward effort. Amazon rewards clarity, relevance, and conversion. If your book doesn't immediately communicate what it is, who it's for, why it's better, Amazon will bury it. Let me show you what I mean. Book example number 1, children's learning books. The first book we're looking at is a children's picture book focused on learning colors during Christmas. On the surface, it looks decent. Good niche, some reviews, seasonal angle. But when we check the BSR, it's sitting around the mid-hundreds of thousands. That tells us something important. It's selling, but barely. Here's the first mistake most people make in 2026. They choose a broad keyword and hope for the best. When you target something like learning picture book for toddlers, you're competing with thousands of books, authors with massive review counts, big publishers. That's a losing game. But when we switch the keyword to something more specific like Christmas learning picture book for toddlers, competition drops dramatically. This is one of the biggest 2026 strategies. Lower volume, higher intent keywords. However, and this part is critical, low competition alone isn't enough. You still need proof of demand. When your book ranks at the top for a keyword and still doesn't sell, it usually means the keyword has low buyer intent, or customers don't understand the value. That's why in 2026, we don't just chase keywords, we chase buyer behavior. Ask yourself, are other books making consistent daily sales? Are customers already spending money here? If not, it's a gamble. Now, to be fair, seasonal books can spike in Q4, but for beginners, I always recommend this. Don't try to reinvent the market. Improve what's already working. Stand out with better covers, clearer positioning, stronger value, not by changing the entire concept. Book example number 2, colors and shapes book. Now here's a common issue I see all the time. A children's book about colors and shapes, solid niche, proven demand. But the book doesn't show up for what parents actually type. Parents don't search inspiring curiosity through triangular shapes. They search colors and shapes book for toddlers, learning colors book for kids. Keywords are not poetry. They are search behavior. If your title doesn't match what people type, Amazon won't show your book, no matter how good it is. This book does have potential. The content seems fine. The problem is weak keyword targeting, poor positioning, pricing that doesn't match perceived value. In 2026, pricing is psychological. If similar books are selling for $5 and yours is $10, your listing must justify that difference immediately. That means stronger title, clear benefits, better cover, social proof, reviews. Otherwise, buyers scroll past. Book example number 3, the worst case scenario. Now let's talk about what not to do. A book titled simply Money Psychology. No subtitle, no explanation, no promise, no reason to click. This is one of the fastest ways to fail on KDP. In 2026, clarity beats creativity. If your title doesn't instantly answer, "What will this book do for me?" you're invisible. Add to that, weak cover, no reviews, high price, and Amazon has zero reason to promote your book. This isn't about talent. It's about understanding how the platform works. Book example number 4, fiction without context. Titles like Against All Odds or Mike Murphy Against All Odds mean nothing to new readers. Unless you're already famous, you must describe the genre and benefit. For example, a crime thriller for teens, a suspense novel about survival. People don't read descriptions first, they scan titles. No clarity equals no clicks. The subtitle problem, a big one. One of the biggest wasted opportunities on Amazon KDP is not using subtitles properly. Subtitles are free real estate. They help with keywords, conversion, clarity. Skipping a subtitle is like opening a store and turning the lights off. Always use them. Non-fiction books. Be direct. If you're publishing non-fiction in 2026, listen carefully. Being artsy hurts sales. Being clear increases sales. Readers want solutions. Instead of a guide to a happier life, expand it. What problem? What result? What transformation? People buy outcomes, not vibes. The big truth about book sales in 2026. Most books don't fail because they're bad. They fail because they don't match search behavior. They don't communicate value. They don't earn clicks or conversions. Amazon is a data machine. It watches click-through rate, time on page, sales velocity. If your listing doesn't perform, Amazon stops showing it. What you should do moving forward. Here's the practical framework you can use immediately. Research keywords people actually type. Validate demand by checking daily sales. Make your title painfully clear. Use subtitles to sell benefits. Price based on perceived value. Improve covers. Don't DIY badly. Get reviews ethically. Market consistently. This is how silent publishers win. If you're still watching, subscribe now. This channel exists to save you years of mistakes. Also, join my Telegram channel for more money-making tips. Reach out to me on X, Twitter, if you want help turning your publishing goals into reality. Drop a comment below and tell me what niche you're publishing in, or what's currently stopping your book from selling. I read them. Thanks for watching.